Hi, my name is Monica Nugent, and I am from Oakville, Ontario, which is in Canada. 3 minutes is very short time, so I'll try to go quickly. I would first of all like to say a huge thank you to the Natural Vision Summit presenters, and especially to Iona and your team. You did a fantastic job and have succeeded in giving us all hope in achieving natural vision, good natural vision. Thank you. I am 60 years of age and was blessed with 20/20 vision at birth. I'm an interior designer by profession and specialize in the design of retail and commercial spaces, and have been doing that for the last 35 years. At the age of 40, I noticed that I was having some difficulty with detailing work and started to wear glasses. My mother is now 84 years old and had to have cataract surgery when she was about 55, I believe, which resulted in her being deemed legally blind in the eye that was operated on, and she also has macular degeneration. I myself was diagnosed with macular degeneration last year, and in March of 2020, I detected some issues with my eyes, and then was told that they are called floaters. My prescription was also increased last year, and I was told that my right eye is now significantly weaker than my left eye. I came across the Natural Vision Summit on Facebook, and I don't think it was by chance. I think I was definitely meant to find it, and I was very much impressed with all of the presenters and learned a lot. I was especially touched by Esther Vandervelt's her talk, and was surprised at how I was emotionally affected when she spoke about the idea of receiving light. I actually broke down and started crying, so it was a deep emotional connection there. I would love to be considered for this, the new program, and definitely if I'm not selected, I would be contacting the Natural Vision team, because I would love to learn more about this information and would be sure to impart it with everyone. And I hope you consider me. Thank you.